It's Preston, Captain Spiffy, fan favorite, back with another answer for some of the questions we've been getting a lot of, which is, how do I identify the year of my golf cart? So here we have a 2015 Club Car Precedent, and I'm going to show you how to identify it. The easiest way to identify it is the sticker right inside of your footwell on your club car. Notice the two letters JE. That is the model number. The two numbers following it, the 15, that is your year of manufacture. Another identifier to get an idea of when the date of manufacture was is 2004 to 2008 Club Car Precedent. Came in a 48 volt system. However, it would be 4 12 volt batteries instead of the 6 8 volt batteries that you see here. A setup like this, you know that the cart is from 2009 and up. The dash on a 2004 to 2008 model is much different. Obviously, this is not a 2004 to 2008 model. If it were, the center of the dash would be solid. And in the glove box area, right here, would be where the sticker would be located. Instead, it's down here. Now, if that sticker's peeled off, you could have your dealer plug in the Curtis programmer, and you can identify it by the serial number. If you don't have a dealer nearby, don't worry. I can still show you a spot to find out. Let's get into this. I got my handy dandy impact here and flashlight. This has a T40 star bit. So I took the 4 screws out of the floor mat so I could get to this. You pull this up, and behind the brake assembly, on the frame of the cart, is the same sticker that you've seen in the footwell. You can identify the date the same way. Okay, I hope that answered any questions you have about the Club Car Precedent's date of manufacture. And remember, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, subscribe and let us know. Comment. The more you ask, the more videos you're going to see. See you soon.